Hi, welcome to Open Mic, episode 2. Mike Dowsett here from Engineer Your Business. Today's topic is open data. Now, I didn't know very much about this, and I don't know if you guys know much about it, but I attended a public lecture at Melbourne University last week, and the topic was open data. It was presented by the City of Melbourne's Open Data group. Excuse me, we'll look at some notes. So they're doing some pretty amazing things with open data, and it's a movement that's gathering momentum around the world. So there's lots of government organisations that are and research groups, universities, etc., that are working hard on making data more accessible. So the idea is that the more freely people can access data, the better things they can do with it, and the better they can do with their business and the economy. So there's great benefits available for that. A few sites that are useful for Australia: data.gov.au is one. For Victoria, data.vic.gov.au, and Melbourne, for example, data.melbourne.vic.au. There's lots of councils and government organisations that are sharing data. So if you have a look around, if you just Google open data in the area that you're interested in, I'm sure you'll find something available. An example of a project I found in Europe was called the Melodies Project.eu, and that basically is that was a project to look at open data and what businesses could possibly do with that, and how people could utilise that data. Examples of open data for City of Melbourne, who were presenting the lecture. For example, there's around 30 pedestrian traffic counters around Melbourne, and they've actually made all of that information freely available. So if you want to look at, where's the next great site for your next shop, you can actually access foot traffic data for Melbourne. You can download the entire history of it. You've got hourly counts, daily counts, the data is huge. And you can even look at specific hours within a day within specific locations. Another one that City of Melbourne are looking at is having real-time car parking information available, so that they can, you might be able to, app developers might be able to set up a car parking app that tells you, well, where's the nearest vacant car space, for example. There's a database of there's over 500,000 trees that have been logged around the greater Melbourne area that is available for a big website. So if you're an arborist or something that trees interest you, then go for it. Another one that they're looking at for City of Melbourne is the bike share scheme. Where are bikes available? So there's a whole range of opportunities and possibilities for open data, and it could be a great benefit for your business if you are looking for data to do your research and work out how best to make it work in your business. Bye for now.